Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss special integrals. Although we have discussed some topics, special integrals, and we have done some problems in previous videos, but here we are going to discuss a special type of this integral in the form of integrals of the form integration of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. So for handling this type of problem, when numerator is a function of x in this form, we are having a very simple technique. By using that technique, we can integrate it very easily. So first of all, here this numerator, given numerator px plus q should be expressed as constant a into d dx of this denominator ax square plus bx plus c and plus another constant b. By comparing both the sides, first of all, you will find out values of a and b, and we'll put these values at respective places, and you will find that this will become very simple to get it integrated, and it will be very easy to understand with the help of an example. So let us start with this question here. Evaluate integral of 3x plus 1 upon 2x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. So here numerator is 3x plus 1. So this 3x plus 1 should be expressed as constant a into d dx of this denominator 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus another constant b. You are following the same process here. Now let us simplify right hand side here. First of all, a, differentiate it with respect to x. So this will be 4x minus 2 and another constant is b. Now comparing both the sides, here coefficient of x is 3 and this side coefficient of x is 4a. So we can write 4a is equal to 3 and therefore a is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, in the left hand side constant term is 1 and in the right hand side this is b minus 2a. So b minus 2a is equal to this one, or we can write now value of a 3 by 4 here. So b is equal to 1 plus 2a means 2 into 3 by 4. So this is equal to 5 by 2. So by solving both the sides, we are getting value of a as well as value of b. Now we'll put these two values, put these two values here and will be able to integrate it very easily. So you see how we can proceed now. So this integral px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, this can be written as a is how much? A is 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 into derivative of this much means 4x minus 2 plus b. B is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. So we have to integrate this one. since px plus q is this one and divided by ax square plus bx plus c, and in place of ax square plus bx plus c, what we have? 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So in this place we will write 2x square minus 2x plus 3. 2x square minus 2x plus 3. Now we will try to simplify it further. So in numerator there is sum of two terms, so we can write it as sum of two integrals. So first one is 3 by 4 integral of 4x minus 2 integral of 4x minus 2 upon 2x square minus 2x plus 3 dx, and another term is 5 by 2 integral of dx upon 2x square minus 2x plus 3. I hope you have understood it, because in numerators there are two terms, so we are getting two integrals here, sum of two integrals. Okay, now let us proceed. First term 3 by 4. If you suppose this much is t, then this is dt. See, if you put here in the first term 2x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to t, then by differentiating both sides we can write 4x minus 2 dx is equal to dt. So this is in the form of dt by t. So this integral will be dt by t, integral will be log of t, and t is how much? T is 2x square minus 2x plus 3. This is integral of this first term, value of this first integrand. Now we have to see second term. So this second term is there, 5 by 2 integral of dx upon, let us take 2 common here, 2, this is x square minus x plus 3 by 2, and this will remain same. Second term can be written as 5 by 2, or let us take these two outside of this integral sign, it will become 5 by 4, and here dx upon x minus half whole square, so that we could get here x square minus twice ab means minus x and plus 1 by 4. That plus 1 by 4 will be subtracted from here. So plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This can be written as 5 by 4. This can be written as 5 by 4, or you can write it root 5 by 2 whole square. Now you see, this part has reduced in the standard form, in the form of this is in the form of integral of dx upon x square plus a square, and you know the result. In the case of special integrals previously we have already discussed the formula. This is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So now we can write here, first term is 3 by 4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3, and second term can be written as 5 by 4 into 1 by a. In place of a we are having root 5 by 2, so this will be 2 by root 5, 1 by a, then tan inverse x by a. So tan inverse, in place of x we are having x minus 1 by 2, that is 2x minus 1 by 2. This is 2x minus 1 by 2. This is x by a, root 5 by 2, root 5 by 2 plus constant of integration c. So now we are getting the result here. Here our result is (3 by 4) log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3. Here you can cut this 2 with 4 and root 5 with this 5. So this is plus root 5 by 2, and tan inverse, this 2 will be cancelled out. So here 2x minus 1 upon root 5 plus constant of integration c. So this is the result, this is the answer. So we have seen in this video that if integral is in the form of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, then how we can get the value, get the answer very easily by reducing px plus q in the form of a into derivative of denominator plus constant of b. We evaluate values of a and b, we put these values at corresponding place and we proceed, will get the result in this way. So I hope you have understood it very well. So students, I expect that you will do some more practices so that you could have good command over this topic of indefinite integration, and in other videos we have to do some more problems, we have to discuss some more topics. So please remain with us, and you subscribe my channel HiQ Learning, and share these videos with your friends also. So thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.